there's this one play which is very close to my heart. It's called Andha Yug. That we performed at Rock Garden. I think it was one of the toughest plays that I have seen or I've got a chance to be a part of. And so, in between also I got an opportunity to perform at this festival. It's a national festival. It's called Young Actor Directors Theatre Festival, which takes place in Kurukshetra. So, हमारे एक director थे Mr. Ashu Sharma. So he was doing this play called Seduction. It was an adaptation of this Russian writer के play है Anton Chekhov, उनकी एक adaptation थी. So वहाँ से वो सिलसिला पूरा शुरू हुआ theatre का, and while doing it, on the job training का जो session होता है, that was the time when I shifted down to Bombay. I thought I'll get
explore some possibilities
and also get a hands-on training as to how does this film fraternity it works. How does, if I could be a part of that system or that circle, so I'll get to learn a lot. So on-the-job training happened. Went to Bombay, did that, started giving auditions, started meeting people. It was a new city for me. No one, as such, I never had anyone who was in Bombay who could guide me. So, and I used to roam on those roads and all that in Bombay. Used to see all those big flexes, those outdoor media boards and all that. I always used to pray and wish that, one day I hope even my film poster comes onto those hoardings. I think God's been really kind, been very fortunate that within a span of some years, I won't exactly tell you how many years, but within a span of short time, the posters were there on those boardings, and the first day it got on, I still parked my car outside those boats, looking at them, and just sitting out there for half an hour, just going through my entire flashback journey. So yeah, I think so. Now Fukre is done well, and people and everyone has loved the film.
ये किनकी film थी Fukre?
So it's been produced by Excel Entertainment, Mr. Ritesh Sidhwani and Mr. Farhan Akhtar. And it's been directed by Mr. Mrigdeep Singh Lamba. He's from Delhi and a fantastic director. So ये उनकी film थी, and तो वो हुआ. And I have another film which is releasing in September on the 27th. It's called Warning 3D.
वो किन्होंने direct की है?
वो करी है director Mr. Gurmeet Singh. And it's being produced by Mr. Anubhav Sinha. Mr. Anubhav Sinha, he's got his banner called Benares Media Works, and along with Eros International. So it's India's first underwater 3D film that's coming out. We shot it in Fiji, and we shot underwater with live real sharks, and full movie shot in 3D and actually in the real ocean, the South Pacific Ocean.
Okay.
So yeah.
And how many days shoot was there in Fiji?
About less than 50 days.
Less than 50 days.
Less than 50 days, but we were supposed to be in water for about 12 to 14 hours every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Wow.